What is up, guys? This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this small hamlet or small village without a church that is located in the Côte de Beaune sub-area of the Burgundy wine region of France, just between the illustrious villages of Puligny, Montrachet and Meursault. But Blagny focuses on making Pinot Noir red wines in Burgundy, that prestigious area of the Burgundy wine region of France. So how do you go about pronouncing the name Blagny with the typical French pronunciation? Well, essentially Bla and then Ni, Blagny, 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 Blagny. The wines from Blagny, the Pinot Noir wines from Blagny, les vins de Blagny. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.